Hey, Camille. So I don't want to give the whole problem away to you, but I want to get you started. And so on this first page, it has the instructions, and then on the second tab, it's got the places where it wants us to put in answers. And so all we're doing is allocating our manufacturing overhead according to these activity rates. And so if we look back on this page, it gives us our allocation rate. So I'll just go through the first one. So like the number of setups for CREST is 350, and the activity rate, I'm just going to say this equals 400, or that cell. And then the number of orders, I'll say this equals $10 per order. And this equals machine hours. So $10 per machine hour. And this equals $20 per receiving hour. And then find my allocation. I'll just take the quantity times the rate. And I can use the fill tool to complete all of those, and then use the sum. And then I would do the same thing over here for Cascade. Then I would carry these numbers down here. Anyway, so I hope that helps, and good luck.